Jake and the Empty Stage. Jake is 13 years old. He doesn't talk much. He likes music. He plays piano alone, every evening. At school, people don't notice him. They talk, laugh, play loud. Jake just listens. He doesn't mind being quiet. But sometimes, he wonders. Will anyone ever hear me? A teacher announces. This Friday, we will have a talent show. Sing, dance, act, show us your gift. Everyone is excited. Jake wants to join. But his hands shake just thinking about it. He writes his name. He adds, piano, original song. At home, Jake practices in the evening. He writes his own song. No words. Just music. It starts soft. Then it rises. Like something growing in the dark. He names it, the hidden light. Because that's how he feels. Friday comes. The gym is full. People cheer and clap for singers and dancers. Jake's name is next. He walks to the stage. But something is wrong. There's no piano. Someone forgot. The teacher runs around. I'm so sorry, Jake. Jake just stands there. People whisper, what's happening? Someone laughs. Jake wants to cry. He wants to run. But then he remembers the song. The hidden light. It's inside him. He takes a deep breath. He walks to a chair, sits down, and taps his fingers on the table. Soft. Then louder. He makes the sound of a piano, with no piano. The gym is silent. Then the rhythm builds. His fingers dance. His eyes close. He finishes. The room stays still. Then. Clap. 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 The gym explodes. Everyone stands. Jake opens his eyes. He sees the crowd. He sees his teacher smiling, hands to her heart. For the first time, Jake feels it. They hear me. He doesn't win the show. But many students come to him after. Your music was amazing. I didn't know you were so talented. You made me feel something. Jake smiles. He thinks to himself. Even when no one sees you, you still matter. Keep playing.